Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Dehydrator Cookbook is probably one of the most versatile kitchen tools you can own, and it's not just for making jerky. This cookbook unlocks a world of possibilities, from crispy fruit snacks and vegetable chips to homemade dried herbs and even unique ingredients for your favorite recipes. It's a gateway to healthy, delicious, and shelf-stable foods, perfect for meal prepping, camping trips, or simply reducing food waste in your kitchen. Number 5. Complete Dehydrator Cookbook, Fruit, Vegetables, Meat and More. Are you ready to preserve your favorite foods? This cookbook is your ultimate guide. It will show you how to dehydrate a variety of ingredients. Learn the best techniques for drying fruits. This book provides tips for achieving the perfect texture and flavor. You'll discover how easy it is. Discover how to preserve vegetables. This cookbook offers recipes and instructions for maximizing flavor. It's a great way to reduce food waste. Explore the art of drying meats. This book guides you through safe and effective methods. It's perfect for making jerky and other tasty snacks. This cookbook is packed with helpful information. It includes tips on storage and usage. It's a must-have for any dehydrating enthusiast. What we like. This cookbook offers a wide variety of recipes, perfect for beginners and experienced dehydrators alike. It provides detailed instructions, ensuring successful results every time. If you are looking for a comprehensive guide with diverse recipes, this book is your go-to resource. What people say. Really good recipes and easy to understand. Complete information on dehydrating with recipes included. Gives great information on dehydrating fruits and vegetables in general, and addresses each individually as well. Gives ideas for recipes and how to use the foods once dehydrated. Number 4. The Dehydrator Bible, 400 plus recipes. Are you looking for a comprehensive guide to dehydrating? This book is perfect for you. It includes over 400 recipes to help you get started. This book offers a wide variety of recipes. It covers everything from fruits and vegetables to meats and herbs. You'll find something for everyone. Dehydrating is a great way to preserve food. This book makes it easy to learn. It provides clear instructions and helpful tips. If you're new to dehydrating, this book is a great resource. It starts with the basics and guides you through the process. You will be a pro in no time. Start your dehydrating journey with this Bible. It's packed with everything you need to know. Get yours today and start creating delicious, healthy snacks. What we like. With over 400 recipes, this book provides an unparalleled selection of dehydrated dishes. It covers a vast range of ingredients and culinary styles. If you enjoy exploring different flavors and techniques, this book will keep you inspired for years. What people say. The book begins with a clear, easy-to-understand chapter that explains how drying works, how to tell when food is dry enough, how to store dried food properly, and when to rehydrate food. It also includes general troubleshooting tips. Next, the book has useful charts that tell you how to handle dehydration for specific herbs, e.g., cilantro, mint, parsley, fruits, e.g., cherries, citrus fruits, peaches, pineapple, and vegetables, e.g., asparagus, radishes, sweet potatoes, tomatoes. For each type of produce, the authors discuss preparation, peel, cut into quarters, etc., drying, how to arrange on trays, what temperature to use, time, hours required for drying, doneness test, e.g., plums should feel dry and leathery, and tips, e.g. the blue or Italian plums give the nicest texture. The book has similar charts for beans, tofu, grains, and dairy products. It also includes a chapter on methods for dehydrating meat, poultry, and fish. I bought this book shortly after purchasing my 6-tray EXCALIBUR dehydrator, and it's been very helpful in learning the best ways to dehydrate various foods. I've used the recipes in here for apples, pineapples, strawberries, and beef jerky so far. Number 3. Beginner's Guide to Dehydrating Food, 2nd edition. This book is a comprehensive guide to dehydrating food. It teaches you how to preserve your favorite vegetables, fruits, meats, and herbs. You'll learn everything you need to know about this process. Learn how to dehydrate a variety of vegetables. The book provides detailed instructions for each type. Following the steps will help you to enjoy your garden's bounty year-round. Discover the secrets of drying fruits. This edition covers various fruits and the best methods for each. It ensures you get the perfect texture and flavor every time. This guide also includes instructions for dehydrating meats. It provides safe and effective methods for preserving meat. It's a great way to create delicious and long-lasting snacks. Find out how to dry and preserve your herbs. The book offers tips for maintaining their flavor and aroma. This will help you to add fresh flavors to your meals. This second edition includes updated information and techniques. It's designed to help both beginners and experienced dehydrators. Get ready to explore the world of food preservation. What we like. This guide is specifically designed for beginners, making the dehydrating process easy to understand. It focuses on preserving your favorite fruits, vegetables, meats, and herbs. If you are new to dehydrating and want a simple, step-by-step introduction, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The book has a lot of information. The recipes are easy to follow. It has great tips and tricks. Number 2. Dehydrator Cookbook for Outdoor Adventurers. Are you an outdoor enthusiast? Do you love backpacking and exploring the wilderness? This cookbook is designed for you, offering a variety of recipes perfect for your adventures. This cookbook focuses on dehydrated meals, making them lightweight and easy to carry. It provides all the nutrition you need while you're on the trail, without weighing you down. Inside, you'll find simple, flavorful recipes that are easy to prepare. It includes everything from breakfasts to dinners, ensuring you have delicious meals throughout your trip. While perfect for backpacking, this cookbook is also great for camping, hiking, and any outdoor activity. It's a versatile resource for anyone who enjoys the great outdoors. With this cookbook, you can eat well and explore more. It empowers you to create healthy, delicious meals, enhancing your outdoor experiences. What we like. This cookbook is tailored for outdoor adventures, offering recipes ideal for backpacking and beyond. It emphasizes healthy and delicious meals that are lightweight and easy to prepare on the trail. If you like hiking, camping, or any outdoor activity, this book will revolutionize your meal planning. What people say. The recipes are fairly simple, tailored to nutrition-conscious outdoors people, macronutrient breakdown for each recipe, calorie counts for rationing and fuel calculations. I really like the way recipes are divided into single-portion, rehydratable meals, which reflects the way most people will use the dehydrated food. This cookbook has some great, tasty recipes that you can make yourself with fresh, healthy ingredients, several very unique combinations of ingredients. Number 1. Ultimate EXCALIBUR Dehydrator Recipe Book. Are you ready to elevate your dehydrating game? This book is packed with 100 amazing recipes. It will transform the way you create snacks and meals. Explore a world of flavors. This book includes recipes for jerky, teas, and even potpourri. It offers something for everyone. Enjoy the best of nature's bounty. This book focuses on delicious fruit and vegetable recipes. It will help you create healthy and tasty treats. Simplify your cooking with easy-to-follow recipes. This book is designed for everyday use. It makes dehydrating fun and accessible. Start your culinary adventure now. This book is your guide to delicious and healthy dehydrated creations. It is a must-have for any dehydrator owner. What we like. This recipe book features 100 delicious, everyday recipes, including jerky, tea, and potpourri. It offers a diverse range of options for your dehydrator. If you want to create a variety of snacks, teas, and even potpourri, this book is an excellent choice. What people say. The book has a lot of good information. The recipes are easy to follow. The book is well organized. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.